ball is thrown vertically downward with a velocity of 20 meters per second from the top of a tower. It hits the ground after some time with a velocity of 80 meters per second. We have to find the height of the tower. We are also given the value of g as 10 meters per second square. To solve this question, we will simply use the equation of motion v square minus u square is equal to 2as. Since we are given v square, u square, and we also have a, so that we can find the value of s, or the height of our tower. V is given as 80 meters per second, u is given as 20 meters per second. So 80 square minus 20 square is equal to 2 into 10 into s. After squaring, we get 6400 minus 400 is equal to 20s, or s is equal to 6000 upon 20, which turns out to be 300 meters. So the height of the tower is 300 meters, and the correct answer is option 2.